In this video, I'll show you how to download CapCut without VPN on Android. First of all, you need to understand that, without using a VPN, this method usually does not work for most users, because CapCut is restricted in certain regions. That's why later in this video, I'll also show you the easiest and most reliable way to download CapCut. Before we start, if you want a quick and stress-free way to get CapCut on Android, you can check out NordVPN using the link in the description. It makes the entire process smoother and avoids all the common issues people face. Now, let's start from the beginning. First, open the Play Store on your Android phone. Once the Play Store is open, tap on the search bar and search for CapCut. In many regions, you'll notice that CapCut does not appear at all. This is where most people get confused and start trying random fixes. Let me show you what people usually try without a VPN and why it doesn't work. Press and hold the Play Store icon, then tap on App Info. From here, tap on Force Stop to completely close the Play Store. Now go into Storage and clear both cache and data. Once that's done, remove the Play Store from the recent apps and open it again fresh. Now search for CapCut again. As you can see, even after clearing data and restarting everything, CapCut is still not showing. That's because the Play Store checks your region based on your IP address and account history, not just cache or app data. So, without changing your location, CapCut remains unavailable. This is exactly why the no VPN method fails for most users. Now let me show you the method that actually works and saves a lot of time. Open the NordVPN app on your phone. If it's your first time opening it, allow the required permissions so it can function properly. Once inside the app, connect to a country where CapCut is officially available, such as the United States or the United Kingdom. Tap on Connect and wait a few seconds until the VPN connection is active. After NordVPN is connected, go back to your phone's home screen. Remove the Play Store from the background again. Press and hold the Play Store icon. Go to App Info, tap on Force Stop. Then open Storage and clear the data once more. Make sure you do not disconnect the VPN during this step. Now open the Play Store again, while NordVPN is still connected. Let it load normally. Once it's fully open, search for CapCut. This time, you'll see CapCut appear in the search results. Tap on Install and download it like any normal app. In some cases, if CapCut still doesn't appear right away, tap on your profile icon in the Play Store, switch to another Gmail account, accept any prompts if they appear, and then search for CapCut again. This usually fixes it instantly. Once CapCut is installed, you can open it and start using it normally. After installation, you don't need to keep the VPN connected unless CapCut becomes restricted again in your region. Using NordVPN not only helps you access apps like CapCut easily, but it also adds an extra layer of security to your device. NordVPN comes with threat protection, which blocks malicious websites, ads, and trackers while you're browsing or using apps. It also includes a kill switch feature, which automatically cuts off your internet connection if the VPN ever disconnects, keeping your real IP address protected at all times. For the easiest, safest, and most reliable way to download CapCut on Android, use NordVPN. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and get started right away.